Hey guys, Peter and Greg here. We're making some calls, putting deals together. What did you do before real estate?
For real estate, I did commercial HVAC for about 3 years. I still do that here and there. But right now I'm getting into real estate with Peter.
Did you own your own thing or did you work for someone?
I work for a company.
Okay. Is the goal to ultimately transition out of HVAC?
Yes, absolutely. The goal is to part within a year.
There you go. Very few people get in real estate wanting to continue doing what they're doing, right?
Yes.
Tell us the highlights right now. I know you're just getting started, and there's people listening to this, and they're just getting started, or they may be thinking about getting started. What's the key in the beginning?
The key in the beginning is to actually take action. I found Peter through YouTube videos, and I decided to partner with him and to help me out, and to a great mentor to help you guide it. And it's also good to have people along the way that's willing to help you to get you where you want to go.
And that's what it's all about. It's our operation, 20 plus years strong, thousands of deals behind us, and our partner-driven model is exactly the way Greg describes it. We want to help people do deals. Why do we want to help them? Because we split the profits, so there's something in it for us. It's the way we grow, it's the way we expand, it's the way we've been doing it. I can tell you across the board, all our deals now are as a result of individuals just like Greg all over the United States. Where are you based out of?
Atlanta.
Atlanta.
Right here.
Right here in Atlanta. So we need more people in Atlanta. We need more people all over the United States, guys. We help you by mentoring and coaching you. We generate leads. We provide the capital. We provide construction. We put them in the market. We sell them. We split the profits. We want to do more deals. Partner driven.